Hello, in this video we're going to look at how we integrate Google Documents into our Workspace entity records. So first thing we need is the link, the shareable link. So navigate to your the document that you want to embed. In our case we've got a project folder set up here, and inside there's commercial, and here's a spreadsheet that we want to embed in our project. So right click on here, click Get Shareable Link, and then press Copy Link, and that copies this to the clipboard. Now we'll switch to Workspace. So Workspace, you can navigate to Workspace from your control panel. Wrong link. From your CMS control panel. Using the green Workspace icon here. Clicking on that will open up this window. So our entities are here under CRM: contacts, organization, leads, opportunities, and projects. And the definitions of these are defined under Workspace Manager. So what we want to do is to add to projects a new tab. So we just look at one that's already open if we have a demonstration. So here's a project, and we've added a spreadsheet a band under the Documents tab. So how do we achieve that? So what we need to do is to go to Workspace Manager, log in, and if you expand Entities, we're looking at the project band, project entity, expand tab sets. What we'll do is we'll create a new tab. Let's call this Google Docs, Google Documents. Save that. Now this should get refreshed under there. There we go. Now select Google Documents, and under there we'll create a new band. We'll call this Commercial Sales Forecast. And here we'll need the link that we got earlier. Let's just grab that again. Get shareable link. Copy. Paste that into the band path. And here we'll need, so you'll need to identify which entity that you want, the ID of the entity that you want to display this. So if we switch back over to our Workspace and look at our projects, so we want to display the Builder's Yard project, PL3279, if we open it. So what we want to do is to have an additional tab here across the top for Google Documents and display the spreadsheet as a band under there. So the identifier here is the value of I, which is 10. So it's entity 5 and I 10. Entity 5 is a project, and 10 is the identifier of this particular project. So it's 5 and 10. So if we switch back over to Workspace Manager, so it's entity class 5 and identifier 10. So what these parameters do, the query string parameters, are basically saying this is a custom band for entity type 5, which is project, for project 10, and then set the minimum height, which we'll set to be, say, 1000, and click Save. Now that's created, one final step. We need to set security. So add a new. If you don't set security, the band just won't be visible. So we need to set some security on it. We'll set admin and set that the role value to be 2. Click Save. So now if we go to our project, go back to projects and select Builder's Yard, project PL3279. You see the Google Documents tab. If we click that, and there's our spreadsheet. And of course, it's fully editable within the band. Let's change that to be 700. This value should be changing at -0.29. Thank you very much.